Today video talked about the Wi-Fi connectivity issues or internet connection issues. So how you can fix this if you connected with your internet but still the site cannot be reached. How can you fix this issue? Even you tried your IP, it still doesn't work. To fix these issues, there is a couple of steps, a couple of methods that you can try, and simply hope that resolve your issues. The first things we can try always to troubleshoot this problem, right? In troubleshoot doesn't work, then what can you do? Go to the control panel. Okay, once you go to control panel, there is a network and sharing center. Click that and go on the bottom internet option. And go to connections. Because the proxy LAN settings, sometimes this is unchecked, and that could be cause this problems. Usually if this is unchecked in your case, and you might want to check this and hit OK and troubleshoot this if problem is fixed or not. If until the problem is not fixed, then you might want to try to go to change adapter settings. Okay, go to change adapter setting based on your, if you are connected with the Ethernet or Wi-Fi. In this case, if I connected to Wi-Fi and it's still not connected, I'll go to properties to make sure there is this internet protocol version. You want to click that, and to see there is the opt-in and IP address automatically it's checked. This is because this is the default setting IP. If you guys are manually setting up your IP, this tab will be checked, and your manual IP, different IP is there. To resolve this, you might want to try this, to check this and hit OK and hit OK. Okay, if that is not checked, and try to run the troubleshoot again, and if this issue is resolved or not. If the issue is still there, one more try you can do is going to the command prompt, CMD. Okay, there is some commands you want to go do it. Let me I have that automatically. Return command. So these commands you want to run as it is, and so I'm going to leave this command on video down below. So run it. Once this request is done, okay, I'm not run as an administrator in CMD, so I'm going to run as a, make sure you run as an administrator. Okay, once you run this, run that command again. So it's successfully run, the command is successfully run, and another command is there, so you want to run that again. So I'm going to run it. It's gonna take some time. The command is successfully done. Once this is done, you wanna go to the computer management to see the computer the network adapter. Usually the wireless network adapter also give this problem. Just go here and run it. Okay, here right click this and scan this. Once you scan it, you want to disable this and enable this, and once you disable and enable this, then update the driver. So this will automatically should be, by this time it should be resolve your problem. Okay, trying these methods. If it still doesn't work, then you can simply right click this, open the top network and settings, go down here, network and reset. Okay, that another thing you can try, and restart your computer, and the issues that site cannot be reached should be fixed by now. If you like the videos, like, comment, share, and thank you for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.